Let's read source 4 for the Middle East investigation. The source is called TeachMideast. Let's look at our central question, which is our purpose for reading this source. How should we define the Middle East as a region? Now let's read the attribution and then the headnote to learn what type of source this is, who wrote it, where it was published, when it was published, and why or for whom it was written. Attribution. Text from What is the Middle East? From TeachMideast, an educational initiative of the Middle East Policy Council at TeachMideast.org, updated April 2020. Headnote. TeachMideast makes educational resources to teach students about the Middle East and Muslim world today so they can make difficult policy decisions in the future. In this text from their website, they describe characteristics of the region and point out which should be used to define the Middle East and which should not. Let's pause here. Take a moment to answer these questions about the headnote and attribution in your packet. So pause and come back when you're ready. Okay, now let's read the source. Let's read this text from the Mideast website. The Middle East is an arid, which means dry, region in Southwest Asia and part of North Africa, from the Mediterranean Sea to the Persian Gulf. The Black and Caspian Seas are in the north, and the Sahara Desert and Indian Ocean are in the south. People in the Middle East share a long history and a religious tradition. The Middle East is the birthplace of three religions that believe in one God: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. It is also an area of shared trade and culture, and sometimes conflict between Europe, Africa, and Asia. There are two common mistakes that people often make when talking about the Middle East. The first common mistake is that people confuse the Arab world with the Middle East. The Middle East is a very diverse region with many languages and cultures. While the majority of the people speak Arabic, there are some countries in the Middle East where people do not speak Arabic, including Turkey, Iran, and Israel. The second common mistake people make is to say that the Middle East is the same as Islam. Islam began in the area that is now Saudi Arabia, but it has spread over the centuries. Now there are communities of Muslims all over the world. Today, most Muslims don't live in the Middle East or grow up speaking Arabic. Okay, now go back and read the source on your own. And pause after each sentence to think, what parts of the source tell you what the author or people in the text think, want, or experience?